Today's business environment is changing drastically, and technology has played a key role in driving that change. Digital technologies must now be applied across organizations. These new trends will be constantly generating new and enormous data on the organization, people, customers, relationships with suppliers, and intellectual properties.
Data-driven is the process of organizational decision-making based on data and insights derived from data rather than intuition, observation, or experience. MDEC has introduced a program called the Data-Driven Enterprise Program. This program aims to provide a structured and accelerated approach to assist business enterprises and professionals in their data-driven business transformation.
Because in the past we've always been doing over-the-counter, the processes for digital engagement has not been very too clear. Definitely the first challenge was, do you have the right tools and equipment to actually provide the service? So we need to change our IT architecture just to support this kind of digital engagement.
The demand of gloves today is way above the supply. We decided that the first step that we need to undertake is to digitize the production floor. We named that as a paperless project.
So in the past, it may not be as easy to collect data to ascertain the outcome of our efforts to basically give us these key metrics.
But over the last few years, Mahzan has actually embarked on the transformation journey in preparations for this paradigm shift.
You need to really know how important is data to you. That data helps you in making that decision. We have a lot of tools to know where you come from, what device you come from, and what are the transactions that you do. So this allows me to understand the type of demographics my customers are coming into. The data that we had and the amount of work that we put into place into the digital channel helps us to engage our customers better.
People say data is oil. Data analytics is actually applicable to all industries and to all sectors. Having data is really a key. If you have data, you don't have the right people with the right skill set, then your data would not be properly analyzed. And that's where, like MIA itself, we're working very closely with MDEC in terms of enhancing skill set as well as capacity building.
The COVID-19 global pandemic has driven demand of gloves to an unprecedented level. So being a data-driven organization, we are able to look at the forecast, demand forecast, and also with the production data that we have, we are able to identify production losses, and from there, derive action plans on how to reduce our production losses so that we can churn out more gloves to deliver more gloves to our customers.
We analyze whatever data that we have captured, whether we are achieving the targets versus what is actual result.
Customer expectations, as we all know, has changed over time. If companies like ours want to adapt, then we really need to harness the power of analytics. Harnessing the power of data essentially allows us to provide differentiated business offerings. So in the future, we can do personalized service, customized products based on market demand. So I think the potential is limitless.
As part of MDEC's nation-building efforts to propel into the fourth industrial revolution, we want Malaysian business enterprises to become more data-driven, leveraging on data analytics and artificial intelligence to make informed decisions for long-term sustainability and help the country ride out the COVID-19 disruptions and challenges.
Among the value-added services offered by this program includes data-driven awareness workshops, data and analytics expert advisory services, talent and upskilling facilitation, use case references, and call for collaboration facilitation with data technology solution providers.
MDEC will be your partner to facilitate your digital adoption journey to become data-driven organizations that are AI ready for the future.